Spider-Man rides on dump truck, heading home after work. Excavator follows right behind. The suspension bridge shakes slightly. Dump truck looks around, distracted. He spots the big signboard across the bridge. Suddenly, he slams the brakes. Spider-Man flies off the bridge. Excavator swerves and stops.
What happened?
Upset, about to scold dump truck. Dump truck quickly apologizes and points at the sign.
Oh my God!
Expected to reach 60. They all The bridge starts to cloud. Spider-Man sees the
Go, go, go!
Let's go!
Go! Yes! The bridge falls into the river. The storm ends. Sunlight returns. They return to check the damage. Everything is destroyed. Spider-Man and dump truck look sad. Excavator thinks and gets an idea.
Aha!
They make a plan. Time to rebuild.
Go, go, go!
Bye, have a great
They
time!
stack lips and cheer together. Excavator goes to the fallen tree. He lifts and sets each tree up. Excavator clears out the broken parts.
Good job!
Dump truck arrives.
Hello! Hello!
Mixer truck goes in and
Let's
waves.
play together!
Come on, guys, let's go!
Dump truck brings formwork panels. Large wooden boards are carefully placed around the bridge base. The formwork frames create a solid hold for concrete pouring.
Come on, step it up!
Okay.
They pour in cement. Dump truck brings in more sand. He dumps a big pile of sand beneath the mixer. Excavator scoops up the sand and pours it into the mixer. Then, Excavator scoops up river water and adds it in. The mixer drums spin, mixing it all together. The drum spins and pours. A bridge pillar starts to form. Spider-Man
Good
checks.
job.
He waves dump truck. The materials fly up, forming a new bridge. A shiny new bridge appears.
Good job.
The team high-fives and celebrates. Spider-Man jumps in. Excavator runs up. Everyone follows behind. A long line of bright red taillights stretches across the road, all at a standstill. Car horns blare throughout the street. The police car patrols back and forth, its red and blue roof lights spinning anxiously. The police car turns around, shining its headlights onto an empty lot overgrown with weeds on the right. The police car revs its engine and speeds onto the grassy field, driving in a sweeping curve that leaves a clearly marked trail. The police car pulls out a drawing board and a marker, sketching out a new route.
Okay.
The police car uses its front bull bar to gently nudge the safety cones into position.
Hey, you! Come here!
Okay.
The drill moves up near the roadside. Its bit vibrates rapidly, then drives hard into the curb, which shatters into many small pieces. The excavator, holding a chainsaw, moves toward the trees on the lot. The electric saw bites into the tree trunk. The tree trunk slowly tilts and falls to the ground. The excavator moves on to the next tree, and one by one, The trees topple down. The bulldozer moves forward, lowering its blade close to the ground. Its body rumbles as it builds momentum, preparing to push. The bulldozer pushes up soil, gravel, and stumps, leaving a long, smooth strip of brown earth behind. The police car signals to the dump truck, and the dump truck reverses into the lot.
Come on! Okay.
The dump truck backs into position, its bed starting to lift high. The tailgate latch snaps open decisively. Gravel pours steadily from the raised truck bed as the dump truck creeps forward, spreading an even layer of stones across the road's surface.
Okie dokie.
The roller moves in and rolls over the gravel, pressing the rough stones flat into the road surface. The police car waves a signal to the mixer truck, and the mixer truck reverses into the lot.
Hey, you! Come over here!
The mixer truck swings its chute, and a thick stream of gray concrete pours down onto the gravel base. The newly completed road looks beautiful, sparkling under the sunlight.
Wow.
A wide view shows the traffic fully clear, with vehicles flowing smoothly in neat lines along both roads.
Bye-bye!
The excavator is standing in the middle of the road, picking up stones from the pit. The excavator opens the iPad to mark the work progress, showing the battery percentage on the screen. The excavator quickly looks up at the sky, squinting its eyes to observe. Dark clouds are rolling in. Heavy rain pours down, forming dense white streaks that cover the entire construction site. Muddy rainwater mixed with soil rushes down, gurgling from the trenches into the deep pit.
1 hour later.
The dump truck, loaded with Christmas gift boxes, moves along the street, its body bouncing to the rhythm. The dump truck plunges straight into the pit. Its wheels roar at full throttle, but it still can't move. Santa Tractor walks back and forth. The tractor lifts the snow globe, and its wheels gently brush against it. Santa Tractor attaches a jet engine to the back of the vehicle and rockets into the sky toward the dump truck.
Woohoo!
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay.
Hey, what?
The excavator comes out of the construction site, and Santa Tractor points down toward the pit.
Hey, you! Come here!
Okie dokie.
A moment later, the mixer truck and the road roller arrive.
Hello.
Thanks,
Okay.
The mixer truck moves toward the pit, turns its chute, and the concrete slowly pours down into the hole. The concrete slowly flows down and fills the pit.
Come on, guys, let's go!
Okay, okay.
The road roller moves it, rolling forcefully to level and compact the newly poured layer of stone. Santa Tractor smiles and takes a gift box from his pocket, handing it to the excavator.
Wow. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Pickup trucks and dump trucks are concentrated in the middle section of the road covered in snow. The sky suddenly turned gloomy. Strong winds lashed, and a blizzard appeared, turning everything white.
Let's go! Let's go!
A brilliant blue light struck straight down into the largest dead pine tree, growing right beside the road.
Help me! Help me!
The fire truck squinted its eyes into a resolute
Hello?
V as the roof-mounted hose spun toward the fire.
Okay.
Good job.
The excavator moved into the scene, its bucket opening wide and clamping tightly onto the charred tree trunk.
Okay. Let's go.
The compartment lid open, revealing a torque wrench, wheels, and dent-pulling tools inside. The pickup truck took out a bright yellow dent puller from the toolbox and began working.
Whoa! Thank you.
A mountain pass road covered in white snow. A convoy of vehicles moves one after another. The dump truck's wheels roll over the snow in its cargo bed, loaded with decorations, sways back and forth. A large crack appears in the mass of snow, hanging precariously on the cliff top. The tractor looks up as the massive block of snow breaks free and crashes down like a water wheel.
Oh my god!
A blinding white wall of snow engulfs the dump truck and the clamshell as the tractor races closer. The tractor strains with all its strength, pulling a yellow-colored object out of the pile of snow. The tractor pants heavily, then pulls out a signal flare gun.
Hey, hello.
The excavator and the police car receive the signal and rush to the scene.
Okie dokie.
The excavator moves slowly into the snow-covered pit, using its bucket to scoop the snow away. The excavator uses its bucket to hook and pull the dump truck out of the snow.
Hey, wake up.
The dump truck slowly regains consciousness
Good job.
and whispers a thank you.
Let's go! Let's go!
Okay.
The excavator advances and uses its bucket to scoop the piles of snow away.
Thank you.
Okay, okay.
Come on, guys. Let's
The tractor
go.
turns to thank the rescuers and then continues rolling on.
Bye-bye.